welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a glam makeup look using all the Kardashian makeup that I own. True Kardashian style will do the little do 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 oh oh. I am a massive fan of keeping up with the Kardashians, so when Kylie brought out her Kylie Cosmetics, I was right on the bandwagon, and I believe I got the Malibu lip kit. I absolutely loved it. I done this big massive blog post on it. I'll leave it in the description bar below, and I loved it. Unfortunately, I cannot find it anymore. I think I gave it to my sister and it got lost along the way there. But when Khloe collaborated with Kylie for the Coco collection, of course I had to get it, so I got some of her stuff, and I haven't got any Akin stuff that's on my wish list. Maybe Santa might get me some, or Black Friday. Ooh, might treat myself. Recently Khloe worked with Becca Cosmetics. Khloe and Malika actually worked with Becca Cosmetics to release some stuff. She'd done a contour, blush and highlight palette, and she's done some lipsticks. She's done like a nude and a red. It was Hot Tamale and True Kindness or True Happiness or something like that. I got this in Sephora when it just came out, but I was in TKMaxx the other day and they have all of this stuff in there. So they have the Khloe's one and they have Malika's one. So if, like, you know, you're a paler shade, you'll go with Khloe. If you're a darker shade, you can use Malika's. But they have this, I think it's like there's a few euros off. I think it's like 26. I'm not too sure how much I paid for this, but it's probably around 30 something, and I think it's like 20 something in TKMaxx. Then I got this and this. So this is Malika's red, because I already have Khloe's red, and Malika's red is called Brave. That's what I have on now. And then I got the highlight that the two of them came together. This was $9.99. Dead cheap. Can't remember how much this was, but it was definitely cheaper than how much it is. What I'm trying to say is you can get lots of it in TKMaxx now. So yeah, and I definitely recommend getting some of the Kylie cosmetic stuff if you're thinking about it for Black Friday. Like, they probably have, like, the shipping might be a bit cheaper to Ireland. I think last Black Friday she had like international free shipping, which was great, but then you still have to pay the customs, like the import duty, but that's fine. Anyway, here is a makeup look using all the Kardashian makeup.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Oh, I will say it's the first time I put on lashes in a long time. And I think I need to get that one that is like non-toxic, because maybe I put it on wrong. I think I do put on lashes wrong, but my god, I don't think it should be stingy. Oh, I don't think it should be stinging.